Coming up, passion on both sides with the possible overturning of Roe versus Wade. The head of the Catholic diocese here in El Paso reacting, saying it restores hope for him.
Plus, chasing fires, nearly a dozen of them reported in dumpsters in just a few hours. Tonight, Las Cruces police need your help finding the alleged arsonist responsible. Also, bar violence happening across the borderland. City officials releasing numbers on crimes in entertainment districts.
And the El Paso Chihuahua is getting off to a hot start tonight in Sugar Land. Could they sustain it? Highlights and much more later in sports.
From the station putting local first, this is KTSM 9 News at 10.
Abortion right advocates are gathering in cities across the country today. Demonstrators gathered in cities like Washington, D.C., Houston, New York, and Chicago, to name a few. The rallies come after a draft opinion was leaked to Politico that showed the Supreme Court is poised to overturn Roe versus Wade.
What do we tell SCOTUS? Hands off our bodies! What do we tell SCOTUS? Hands off our bodies!
And back here in El Paso, protesters also making their voices heard. Demonstrators gathered outside the federal courthouse earlier today, saying they are trying to protect their fundamental rights. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Natasha Paloma.
And I'm Andy Morgan. KTSM 9 News reporter Shelby Kapp is live downtown in El Paso tonight, where protesters were gathered there earlier this evening. And Shelby, what did some of those protesters have to say tonight?
Yeah, well, Andy, Natasha, a crowd gathered here in front of the El Paso County Courthouse protesting the possibility of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. Now, the organizer of today's protest, also an employee of the Planned Parenthood here in El Paso, she wants people to know that abortions are still available here locally.
We have a health center that operates now and provides abortions up until the legal limit, and that is not changing, and we are going to keep fighting in every way we can and providing care in every way we can, no matter what.
Everybody should have access to every form of reproductive rights, whatever.
El Pasoan Judy Ackerman says this isn't her first time fighting for abortion rights.
I've been fighting for abortion rights since the 70s.
El Paso Catholic Bishop Mark Seitz saying he remembers finding out about Roe v. Wade in the 70s.
As a young person who had just recently turned 19, I couldn't believe my ears.
Seitz saying the release of the draft of the majority opinion should be investigated. That draft detailing the Supreme Court's intent to overturn Roe v. Wade, making it so states can set their own restrictions on abortions.
The content of the draft has begun to restore in me a hope that was shattered nearly 50 years ago. It moves me to rededicate myself and the Church of El Paso to provide such dedicated care to mothers and fathers who find themselves facing an unexpected pregnancy that they would never feel pressure to end that child's life.
If the Supreme Court is to indeed overturn Roe v. Wade, it would be reversing nearly 50 years of that constitutional protection on abortions. Andy, Natasha?
And Shelby, I know we've all been talking about that unprecedented leak, and you said that the bishop thinks it should also be investigated. What has the Supreme Court said?
Yeah, well, Natasha, one justice vowing to have that investigated, and the court is saying while that document did come out, it does not mean that's a final decision or position by the Supreme Court.
All right, Shelby Kapp reporting live for us tonight in downtown El Paso. Thank you so much, Shelby.
Now, KTSM spoke with Dr. Todd Curry, who is a political